Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to unfollow accounts on Instagram. This is great for removing fake accounts or accounts who you or them are not interacting with each other. So let's open up your Instagram app. Go to your profile page. Tap on following. Now go through your profile and find users who have no post or are not following you. Or if you know the account name, then type it in the search bar at the top. Once it returns back with the result, you can tap on the following button next to the account name to unfollow the account. If you want to find more details about that account, you can tap on it and you can decide if you want to unfollow that account. Tap on following. Then you'll get extra options where you can then tap on unfollow. And that is how to unfollow accounts on Instagram. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more social media and tech tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one. I've got another one as well.